Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're making island style coquito. So come on, let's go. Here's everything you'll need. I'll leave the full measurements and ingredients list in the description below. Coconut milk, sweetened condensed milk, cream of coconut or crème de coco, vanilla. You can either use the regular vanilla or you can use the clear vanilla. You can use your clear vanilla if you can find it because it leaves your coquito nice and bright white. It doesn't tint your coquito. Cinnamon, nutmeg, and fresh nutmeg is very important in the coquito. If you cannot find fresh nutmeg, guys, go ahead and use the store-bought nutmeg. You are going to need some white rum. So I'm going to go ahead and use my white coconut rum. And you are going to also need some dark rum. And I'm using my Chairman's Reserve dark rum coconut extract. This is totally optional. And you can go ahead and use any coconut milk that you want, guys. I really like to use Goya brand coconut milk. I also like to use my Thai brand coconut milk because it's really a good coconut milk. Or if you want to go more organic, sometimes I use my organic coconut milk also, guys. And normally I make a tea separately. So for the tea, you are going to need some cinnamon, some star anise, some whole allspice, a bay leaf, and some cloves. You'll need some coconut flakes, and I'm going to go ahead and toast my coconut flakes. That will be for my garnish. If you have the time, you go ahead and you can milk your own coconut, guys. For my recipe, sometimes if I have time, I go ahead and milk my own coconut. But for the sake of today's video, I'm going to go ahead and use canned coconut milk, and it tastes just as delicious, guys. My tea is totally cold. I'm going to go ahead and strain my tea. You do not want to put any of the spices in your coquito. So you want to strain everything out. And for the tea, it's star anise, whole allspice, cinnamon stick, cloves, and a bay leaf, guys. And remember, your tea needs to be totally cool, guys. And you can go ahead and make your tea the day before. Okay, guys, so let's get to blending. 1 can of coconut milk. 1 can of condensed milk. And I'm using the sweetened coconut condensed milk, so the texture looks a little different. 1 can of cream of coconut. A can of evaporated milk. A teaspoon of vanilla. A teaspoon of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg. 1 cup of dark rum. Half a cup of white rum or coconut rum. 1/4 cup of our tea. This tea is already infused. A dash of our coconut extract. Now we are going to blend. We are going to go ahead and chill this for a couple of hours. Now we are going to serve. So I have here some sugar that I put some cinnamon in. Guys, I'm just going to go ahead and rim my glass. Grate some fresh nutmeg. Going to add some toasted coconut flakes. A cinnamon stick. And that's it, guys. This is how you make your delicious, creamy, coconutty, and smooth coquito. If your coquito isn't creamy, coconutty, and smooth like this, you're doing it wrong. This is not store-bought coquito. This is real island-style coquito. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like, subscribe, and share. And please leave me a comment in the comment section and let me know how you like your coquito. Do you like it strong and creamy? Are you team nutmeg or cinnamon only? We've come to the end of this video where I showed you how I make my delicious, creamy, and coconutty coquito at home. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Now, let's drink. Guys, look how creamy it is. Absolutely delicious. Cheers, guys. Bye.